January 9th in Portland, Oregon. This is set up for the 2012 Portland Boat Show, the first previewing of the new 2012 lineup of MB Sports. I'm panning a 23-foot Tomcat right here, black, white, and blue. When MB does something, they go big. We have 6 tower speakers on this boat, 2,400 pounds of ballast that loads in 1.5 minutes. Again, very exotic upholstery materials and enough room for the whole football team in this boat. This is a 23-foot wide body. Here we have our bad boy black and lime green 21-foot Tomcat. 4 tower speakers on this bad boy, 1,800 pounds of ballast, 0 off. Beautifully appointed. Again, this is a setup for the Portland Boat Show. This is Portland Ski Boat Center. These are the full lineup of MB Sports.